And we're here at the Literary Feast, and I'm sitting here with
Dr. Helena Yeaman.
And what department are you in?
I teach for both social sciences and for the business department.
Okay, very good. I wanted to ask you a little bit about what your current projects are, what you're working on right now.
I'm working on a book. It's a big project for me, so I'm trying to narrow down the subject matter as much as possible, but it's really going to be about the proper role of the government in the economy. There'll probably be something about the politics of housing and why the government has created policies that have favored the housing sector over others.
Right, okay. When and why did you get into writing?
It just seemed like the thing to do. As a student, I enjoyed it. Over the years, my skills improved, and there's just that burning question sometimes you feel like you have to answer.
Right. Do you have different types of books that you've written?
I do.
Fiction, nonfiction?
I wrote a novel once. After I had, I think, my third child, I decided that I wanted to write a novel. I've written for Christian publications. My last article was for Political Science Quarterly, called The Bipartisan Roots of the Financial Crisis, so it was more academic.
And so you've written all across the board here.
Yes, I'm trying to focus more now on the financial sector. So,
what's the hardest part about working on this particular book?
Finding the time to do it when you have to teach a lot, and just narrowing down exactly what you want to say. There's so much information out there. When I wrote my doctoral dissertation, the internet wasn't around.
Right.
And now you feel like you have to be a master of everything. It helps because you have ready access to information, but then it can also feel overwhelming sometimes.
Definitely, yeah. What advice would you give other writers?
If you feel the burning question and you're going to answer it, keep trying. But you really want to make sure you have the right tools. So there's a book called The Writer's Market. Make sure that you get a look at that book and see what periodical or what publisher would be interested in the type of thing you want to write. Make sure your citations conform to their criteria for publication so that you're not wasting a lot of time. See what their submission requirements are.
Right, right. Very good. Well, thank you very much for your time today, and I hope you enjoyed the Literary Feast.
Thank you very much. I will.
Okay.